Namaste. This is Manish Kothari, based out of Anand, Managing Director, Rhino Private Limited, partner Mimansa, into machine building, making machines for the foundry industry for last 33 years. Graduated in 1991 as a mechanical engineer from MS University, Vadodara. My early learnings have been in the field, in the industry. As I moved into the foundry domain from my school days in 1984, 1986, before I passed out as an engineer. I do understand that this learning has been a very strong part of my development of understanding the entire spectrum of engineering. During my engineering, I got an opportunity to also take the elective computer application in mechanical engineering, which was in 1990, a very early period, from where I have also learned assembly language, PLC, C-level programming, hardware, electronics interface with mechanical engineering, and this thanks to my guide, PhD Professor P. Desai, who gave us this opportunity. But that learning has been a fundamental of my journey. So one of the advice which I always give to engineers who come for internship or work with us is look at the opportunities available. Take whatever is available to you. Today in the education system, there are so many new technologies that come up, and colleges are providing so much of infrastructure support to the students. Facilities are being available, which in our times was very scarce and very little. Including internships was something which was not heard of, and it would only happen if we took our initiative. So this exposure can definitely be very helpful to keep on building yourself, your career. And as we look at opportunities going beyond the core engineering, because core engineering, of course, is the foundation for any industry that you go in, whether it is manufacturing would remain at the background, and that's where I think engineering has a very long-lasting career for anybody who entrenches themselves into basics of whichever branch it is, whether it is mechanical, electrical, electronics. That deep foundation would help in taking the new opportunities available today. For example, waste management, plastic recycling, all the discards which are happening across the world. Though to people they may look as challenges, I think as an engineer, when I start looking at it, it is more of a resource which gives me tremendous opportunities to explore, to innovate, to look at how my engineering can be useful for the society. And that's how we developed skill technology, sand reclamation. Silica plastic block is one of the biggest technologies we developed, which addresses not only solid waste from the industry, but also the plastic waste from the community, and together makes a new material. And using my basic fundamentals of engineering, which comes from analysis, documentation, doing research into each and every aspect of what I'm looking at, doing experiments methodically. And also one of very important subjects which I can relate to is industrial engineering and production planning control, which are integrated into all these developments, which go on to allow me to transcend into any of those fields. Today, through these 30 years of experience, 33 years, I've been able to move into vocational education, apparel manufacturing, recycling, ecosystem building, entrepreneurship ecosystem, capacity building. The analytical mind helps understand the financial models and how businesses could be work together, moving on a step at a time, and getting into partnerships with different players in the value chain, maybe employees, it may be customers, it may be suppliers. But at the core lies my engineering, which runs me, defines me, and today using philosophy to use this engineering skills which I've acquired and see if I can live the quality of life in community is what I think is a derivation of the journey of last 33 years and continues to grow. So all I would suggest to engineers, when you're looking at a career in your field, whichever branch you take, go deep and study uh, every every aspect of what theory you have been given, and relate it to practice in the field, because if you are not able to relate to that, then engineering may not be useful. In the coming times, this knowledge of theory and practice together is going to be a very important asset for an engineer. So happy engineering, and thank you so much.